We are starting a new chapter now, and we are going to look at annotating some simple designs within our AutoCAD drawings. For this lesson, make sure you download the file annotation.dwg, which I have already provided to you in the resources section of this lecture. It will look very similar as we have used similar layouts throughout this course. Once you have it open, check two things. First, ensure that you are in the Models tab by looking at the bottom left corner of the screen. And second, go to the Layers panel in the Home tab and ensure that you are in the layer whose name is DIM. Everything we annotate today, dimension, notes or labels, will go into this yellow dim layer so our drawing stays organized. Let's focus our attention on the bottom part of the drawing. You will see a new conferencing area with tables and chairs. We have got new walls and doors and furniture here that needs some clear labeling. Now, the basis of all annotation in AutoCAD is your text style. Whether it's a dimension or a simple note, the font and height are controlled by these styles. It is vital to set these up before you start placing the text. There are three ways to access the Text Style Manager in the AutoCAD 2027 version. The first is from the Home tab. Click the Annotation panel flyout and select the A with the paintbrush icon, and this will open up the Text Style Manager like this. Let me just cancel it and let's see the second way. The second way is clicking on the Annotate tab and then click the diagonal arrow which you find here in the corner of the text panel, and this will also open up the Text Style Manager. The third way is the Pro way. In the command area, just type STYLE, that is style, and hit enter. This will also open the Text Style Manager. All three methods bring up the Text Style dialog box. You can use the one which you are most comfortable with. So let's create a fresh new style. Click on the Home tab, Annotation flyout, and click on the paintbrush which represents text style. Now from the text style dialog box, click on New. I like to use a naming convention that tells me exactly what the text is for. We'll call this first one as DIMS, DIMS underscore model, MODEL, and then we'll click on OK. You'll instantly see it in the list in the left side. Let's select it in the list. You will see its default values like the font name Century Gothic, regular, height 0 feet 6 inches, and so on. Let's change this font. So we'll click on this drop down and we will type Calibri, CALI, and you get a font called as Calibri. So I select that font. I keep the font style as regular. In the size, please ensure that you do not check the annotative checkbox, no check mark over here. Height, let's leave it to 0 feet. Setting it to 0 allows the dimension style to control the size automatically. So what we'll do, we'll type this as 0. So the dimension style will automatically choose the appropriate size. Then we'll click on Apply. Then we'll click on close. Next, we need a style for room labels. So again, we'll click on the Home tab, Annotation panel, and click on Text Style. So here we'll click on New and we'll give the style the name as Labels, Labels underscore model underscore 3 inch. Because this is a specific label, I'm going to bake the height directly into the style. So font name, let it be Calibri, and the style, let it be regular. The annotative, do not check mark, and the height, we'll type it as 3 inches. This height provides a clean legible label. Next we'll click on Apply and then Close. Next we'll make this label style as the current style. So again, Home tab, Annotation panel, Text Style. In Text Style, select Labels underscore model underscore 3 inch and click on Set Current. Then click on Close. Now look at your Home tab. Under the Annotation flyout, you will see our new style Labels underscore model underscore 3 inch is active and ready to go. We have now built the foundation for all the text and dimensions we are about to add to this conference area. I'll see you again in the next lecture.